Hey, what's up, guys? It's Christian, and today we're going to be touring my friend Shane's shop house. He is just finishing up. It's a very high-end build. It looks amazing. I thought you guys might want to check it out and get some ideas for maybe your future projects. So we are going to start off downstairs in the kitchen front room area. This is one bedroom, has 3 bathrooms, and then obviously a kitchen front room area. It has a big vaulted ceiling, which I really like. I wish I would have factored something like that into mine. It makes this smaller area feel really big. It's pretty sweet. So we will start off over here in the kitchen. All right, so walking in from the shop, first thing you're gonna see is the kitchen, but before we get to that, let's take a look at the first bathroom. So there is not a shower down here, but we have a nice sized bathroom. I really love the cabinets and the countertop. Shane did all these countertops himself. They're all concrete. Nice sized bathroom downstairs. Here we have the kitchen. Now the color on the walls here is similar to the color on the walls in my shop house. I really like the darker brown cabinets. Very high-end finishes in here. You can see this huge sink he has. And again, the same custom concrete countertops down here as well. Something I really like about this, he has taken old reclaimed wood to make a lot of these windowsills. Down here we have the part of an old bridge that's been reused in the kitchen here on his island or dining table area. Over here we have a old freezer door that is up on a track, kind of like a barn style sliding door. Extra cabinets on the end of the island. Now moving on from the kitchen, we're going to come right into the front room area. I have a nice big couch here that you can watch TV on. This is where all of the audio and sound system controls are. Now this right here has to be my favorite part. This is the pellet wood burning stove in the front room. And then all of the brick going all the way up to the ceiling. Got a nice fan up there. So like I said earlier, we have the vaulted ceilings in here. And then this is a metal building, so the insulation and metal beams are painted black. Adds a really nice touch in here. Here you can actually see one of the metal beams going across and all the supports. And you can also see we have some more of that reclaimed barnwood here in the windowsills. So a lot of really nice touches like that. He has some plans to do motorized blinds in these windows as well, which will be really cool. Do a little pan of the front room kitchen area. So we got some nice carpeted stairs, black metal hand railings. Now up here in the loft he has a recliner right now, but I mean there's endless possibilities up here. You could do a couch, a mattress, whatever you wanted to do if you needed more room for people sleeping. And you can see the big TV from up here also. Now at the top of the stairs we have a bathroom. This is a little bit smaller than the one downstairs, but still usable. See, we got a vanity in the corner, toilet there, and also a shower. So this shower is actually really good size, pretty big shower. All right, we're back in the loft. Now we're gonna go into the master bedroom. So we got a king size bed in here. I really like how he has boxed out the metal beam right here and painted a different color. Adds a nice touch in here. USB outlets all around in the bedroom and the kitchen. You can see another window in here that has the concrete countertop that he made and also the old reclaimed barnwood for the trim. Tying throughout the house. We also got a TV in here. Then we got sliding doors going into the master bathroom. So you got matching cabinets, countertops. Nice sink mounted up on top of the countertops. That's a really cool touch. At the toilet, this is a little closet area. And here we have the shower. This shower is really big. So this shop house isn't where Shane is actually going to live. This is just going to be an extra space for anyone that needs a place to stay or for when family comes over to visit. So it turned out amazing. I really like how the way he finished everything and kind of went outside the box with some of these finishes like the freezer door and that kind of thing. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Maybe you got some ideas from it. Let me know down in the comments below what your favorite thing is, and I will see you guys in the next one.